Now let us try to see some important definitions in strength of materials. As I said, what does Hooke's law says? Hooke's law says like this. If you are asked what is Hooke's law, you should say Hooke's law. Hooke's law, what does it say? Within elastic limit, stress is proportional to strain. Okay. Or you can say sigma by E is equal to constant. This constant is replaced by what? This constant is replaced by E. Okay. So I say E is equal to stress by strain. Okay. This is what? This is what is Hooke's law. Where does this apply? Within the elastic limit. You cannot do beyond the elastic limit. Okay. This is Hooke's law. Then another thing we know is what? If you have a specimen like this, if I apply a force here, what will happen to this? This will become long, is it not? So let me take another color and let me say it becomes something like this, correct? Like this, understand? So this is what? This is your delta L. This is your L. This is your force. Whatever strain which is happening along the direction of the force is called as linear strain. E linear. Linear means along the line of action of force is delta L over L. This is E linear. But here what is happening, you can see something else is also happening here. That is, see here initially this was D naught and then it became D final. So this is happening along the perpendicular direction of the force, is it not? This we call as what? This we call as E lateral. E lateral is equal to delta D divided by D naught. Understand? Not necessarily D, it is diameter because I am showing a circle. It can be any other shape also, whatever is the dimension, that delta divided by that dimension. Okay. So now we have another thing which is called as Poisson's ratio. Poisson's ratio. This Poisson's ratio says what? The ratio of E lateral to E linear. This is what is Poisson's ratio. Okay, another important definition. You have a Hooke's law, you have a Poisson's ratio. Understand? So now you see here with your E, you can do many things. E can be written as what? Let me just add one more slide here. Okay, just 1 minute. I will add one more slide here. Where is insert? Insert. I will add a new slide. I'll just go here. So now what I'm going to do, I will just write it. See here, E is equal to what? Review. Start thinking. So I can write E is equal to what? Let me write something here. Let me just delete this one first. Okay, so I will just go here. I will just delete it. Cut. I will remove this also. I will cut it. Okay. Now I go back to review. I will just use start thinking. I will remove this stuff. Okay. Now I am there. So E is equal to what? E is equal to stress by strain. Is it not? Stress can be written as that force divided by area. Strain can be written as what? Delta L over L. So if I change it, it becomes what? F L by A E. A into delta L. If I want delta L, what can I write? Delta L is equal to FL by A E. I just only changed. Delta L I brought on the left side and the E I brought it down. This is another useful equation for us. Okay. So here you saw earlier you have got so Poisson's ratio is equal to E lateral by E linear. Is it not? This is another important equation. So you have three equations over here, which are very important. Hooke's law is there. Modification of Hooke's law, you can find out delta L, and then Poisson's ratio is E lateral by E linear. So these are some of the important equations which we make use of in solving the problems. We have already solved some of the problems. The videos are there already on the YouTube, and then it is also there in your WhatsApp. You can go through that and then see your stress strain diagram explanation. And remember these formulas. I think beyond this, you have nothing more for your quiz. Is this clear? You need not have to really worry about quiz. And what else will be there? You will be asked some questions. Maybe we may give you a bar of a rectangular cross section. Maybe we will apply some force over here. Okay, we will give you E, we will give you L, and maybe we will also give you delta L, most possibly. I don't know. Delta L, if we give, we may ask you some value, some unknown will be there. Just follow the procedure, you will be inshallah able to do it very well. Okay. So go through these slides and our videos which are there already. So those videos should help you actually. There should not be any difficulty in answering the questions in the quiz. You have to bring your calculators and you have to know how to use the calculators. Don't write for a square bar pi d square by 4 as the area. You will definitely get 0.